The lexical approach is important because it shows our students how to learn a language in a natural and comfortable way. It focuses on how we use the language in the real world, how fluent speakers of English learn their English, and provides those same opportunities to our students. Teachers can really benefit from using the lexical approach, whether you decide to approach your whole term with a lexically based syllabus, or whether you just want to add some elements of lexical teaching into your classroom. Either way, expect to see a positive response from your students as well as some real progress. It's also important because it can have a tremendous impact on your lessons. As a teacher, it can stop you getting bogged down in over-analytical grammatical analysis that feels more like maths and that sends our students to sleep, and instead gives the students a more natural and enjoyable way to learn a new language. The impact of lexically based teaching can have various positive effects on our students' learning. First of all, it can give our students the power to develop their own language learning skills in their own time and give them the ability to look at language in a fresh and inspiring new way. What's more, a lexical approach to English reflects how language works, how fluent speakers think, and how they construct their sentences. So when our students start acquiring language this way, they can end up making more natural, more human sounding and less robotic sounding language straight away. You see the effects immediately. It's great. And the thing I like most about it is that students respond so quickly and comfortably to it, making the classroom a place of discovery and curiosity and less of a torture chamber. Good question. The lexical approach is something both new and experiences can successfully use in the classroom. You don't need to reinvent the wheel and you don't need to develop any new resources. One of the best things about the lexical approach from a teacher's point of view is that you can take as much or as little of it for what you need in your classroom and what you need with your students. You can totally bring in elements of lexical learning into your communicative language classroom, and it's suitable for both new and experienced teachers to use successfully and with immediate effect.